Let's make some button tree ornaments. For this project, you're going to need 10 to 15 buttons. So you're going to arrange your buttons in the order that you want to thread them. You're going to need scissors, some type of string or thread or embroidery floss, something like that. Let's cut a piece of the embroidery floss approximately 18 inches. Thread one end through the needle so that about an inch of the floss is through. Starting at the bottom, thread the floss through one hole on each button all the way to the top. Remove the needle from the threaded side and thread it onto the loose side of the floss. From the bottom up, again. If you're using a bead like I am, you'll just use the same hole again at the top. Even out the pieces of floss at the top and tie a knot as close as you can to the top button. If you are using a bead like I am, you'll want to knot it several times to keep the bead secured. At the top of the floss pieces, tie another knot to complete the hanging loop. Follow us for more fun DIY projects.